Welcome to Save the Planet, and today we are going to talk about three things. First is sea levels, then it's going to be sea creatures, and then coral reef. First we're going to be talking about sea levels. Let's hand it over to Sydney.
Thank you, Caleb. Now this is the sea in Finland. Climate change is melting glaciers, which is rising sea levels. This means people have had to evacuate from their homes due to rising seas. People have been homeless because of this. Back to Caleb.
Thank you, Sydney. Isn't that sad? Here's a fun fact. Between 1900 and 1990, sea levels rose between 1.2 millimetres and 1.7 millimetres per year, which is incredible. Back to Sydney with more sea level facts.
I've told you about rising sea levels. Now I'm going to tell you about sinking sea levels. Here's a river. As you can see, there's hardly any water. Water is drying because of climate change. Climate change is a problem. Let's hand back to Caleb.
Add on to that, Sydney. Here's a fun fact. Sea levels drop 8 millimetres every year. Here's Sydney talking about sea creatures.
Lots of creatures have been hurt by plastic pollution, but let's focus on the sea turtle. This humble sea turtle, as you can see, is majestic, graceful and wonderful thing to see. But look at this creature. It's stuck in a plastic bag. Plastic pollution is changing the world. So stop using plastic or use the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Here's a small clip from a song. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Well, this turtle does. It's literally stuck in a plastic bag. Well, let's go back to Caleb.
Well, Sydney, I'll give you a fact. Just over a third of the seas are covered in plastic. How sad is that? Can you tell me a bit about the coral reefs?
Usually, this is the luxurious coral reef, or what you would know it as. The coral reef is dying due to lots of plastic, which goes back to what I said earlier. We're going to get all the crew together to sing a song just for you. Go.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Well, some creatures do, and they are very sad. Do you ever feel like you're gonna die? Well, some creatures do. They can't run away or fly. Just use the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So help the world.